Alright, now it's Tuesday and the weather is so much better today. It's actually unbelievable. Yeah, basically no clouds in the sky, so I'm going to take advantage of today's weather and go to a bunch of places. First up is going to be this place here. It's the Historical Corridor. It looks really cool. After I hit up that place, I'm going to come back towards the station and go to Okayama Castle and Kurashiki, which are kind of like the two main touristy spots in Okayama. So let's get to it. Walking to the station now. Man, it is so nice out today. This is fantastic. So here's kind of what the city's looking like. This is a bit of a business district, just south of the station. Should be a good day. Let's do it. Alright, so right now I'm in Kurashiki. This is like the historical district. It's got a lot of cool like craft stores and stuff. First we got the old style architecture. This is quite nice. So I'm gonna explore a little bit more, maybe buy some cool stuff. We got a hat maker here. Some cafes. Here's a smoothie shop. Not open yet. This looks like a tatami craftsman here. That's pretty cool. Alright, here's a shrine. This place is called Achi Shrine. Achi Jinja. Wow. Yaba. Go all the way up. Yep, that's a huge rope if I've ever seen one. Man, fine. like a little rest area. It's nice though. Cool view. Check out this view here. The rat. I want to find my zodiac sign. Ah, Korea. It's too cute to be a rat. It's like a movie stage. It's got the pine tree. And the real pine. Alright, so I just got done collecting the Goshuincho, which is like the collectible page of calligraphy from each shrine or temple. And due to the coronavirus measures, they don't actually do the calligraphy in your book anymore, unfortunately. But I did receive a page, and since I found a craft masking tape shop before, maybe it'd be a good idea to use that to tape it into my book. Anyway, I'm gonna go back down to the historical district and hopefully find some more cool places to go. Oh man, the weather's so nice today, and there's a lot of good nature in this area. Even got a bamboo forest here. Crazy. Let's check out this craftwork village. Shops, some kind of artwork, and then indigo. Check out this Ivy Square place. A brief history of this place. It's pretty useful. Even a hotel here. Wow, this looks really nice. Super. The leaves are just starting to change color. Yeah, this building is completely covered in ivy. It's really cool though. Metasequoia. Not small. Just bought some masking tape here. Some cool designs. Alright, this is a famous street that's all over Google Maps. There's a little canal running through. Got tons of shops running on both sides. Of course, Japan has mask vending machines now too. This one is white peach, which is a specialty of Okayama.